Hey friends, welcome to Night Graphics. In this video, we will draw this abstract background design. We will work with basic stripes and some effects to draw this design. So let's start drawing it. Before we start, make sure that the Smart Guides option is on. We will start with drawing a background for this design. For this, pick the rectangle tool and draw an artboard sized rectangle. Keep its stroke to none and we will give it a gradient fill. For this, come here at Gradient panel. Click on this button to get the default gradient fill, and now we will make some adjustments to this gradient. For this, keep this color to white and double click on this color slider. Here go to HSB options and dial 220 for hue, 65 for saturation and 85 for the brightness. Now place this slider at 35% and set the gradient type to radial from here. Now come here to Layers panel, lock this layer and name it BG. BG for background. Okay, for the main design, we will create a new layer here and name it Design. Now in this layer, pick the line tool, click here and enter length value to be 2200. And enter angle value to be 270 degrees to draw a straight vertical line. Here you may notice that I have kept the length of the line almost twice of the length of the artboard. Its relevance will be cleared later in this video. Set the stroke of this line at 50. Now double click on black arrow tool to open this move dialog box. Here dial 50 for horizontal movement and press copy. Now press Ctrl D to repeat this command and make total 5 copies of this line. Now select all these 5 copies and come here to Object menu. Here Path and select Outline Stroke. Keeping these selected, come again to Object menu, select Path and here click Add Anchor Points. It has added new anchor points right at the center of these paths. Now select this first path and come here to Color panel. Select HSB options and enter 240 for hue, 100 for saturation and 25 for the brightness. Now select second path and come here to Color panel and in HSB options go for same values for hue and saturation and enter 40 for the brightness. Select this third path and enter 55 for the brightness. For this fourth one, dial 70 for the brightness. And finally for this fifth path, we will set the brightness to 85. Now select all 5 paths and press Ctrl G to make them a group. Now we will align all these shapes to center of this artboard. For this, come here at Align panel. Make sure that Align to Artboard option is selected here. Now press Horizontal Align Center and Vertical Align Center. Now pick White Arrow tool and select these anchor points here. Now we will scale them using Scale tool. For this, double click here at Scale tool. Here select this non-uniform scaling and enter 1150 here for horizontal scaling and keep this vertical scaling option to 100. Press Ctrl 0 to resume the artboard to screen size. Pick Black Arrow tool, select this shape and press Ctrl C to copy. And now come to this edit menu and click Paste in Place here. Now we have 2 copies of this shape and the upper copy is under selection right now. Double click here at Rotate tool and set angle to 40 degrees and press OK. You can see here that the shape remains well within the artboard area even after the rotation because we have already taken enough length for these lines. This copy is still selected. Come to the Object menu. Here Lock and click Lock Selection to lock this copy for now. Now pick Black Arrow tool and select this copy. Come here to Transform option. Make sure this constraint button is on and this center reference point is selected here and enter 1820 for its height. Now double click on this rotate option and set the rotate angle to 40 degrees and press OK. Now pick black arrow tool, pick this shape and place it like this. This copy is still under selection and we will give it blur effect now. For this, come here to effect menu, here blur, and pick this Gaussian blur. Here set the radius to 3 and press OK. Now with this shape selected, come here to opacity option and set it to 70%. Now grab the rectangle tool and draw an artboard sized rectangle right from this point to here at this point. Now come to layers panel, unlock this shape that we locked earlier and press Ctrl A to select all the artwork on this layer. With everything selected, come here to object menu, here click clipping mask and select make. Press Ctrl 0 to reset the artboard to screen size. And here we have our design ready. Hit like and share if you like this tutorial. Thanks for watching Knack Graphics.